Okay, welcome back to the shop. So today we got a fun episode of Old School Cool. This is a Milwaukee 370 drill. This one does not have the nameplate on it, but I know what it is. This was a fun restoration project. This drill looked really rough when I got it. I'm really happy how it turned out. It cleaned up really nice. We did some highlighting here in the handle. Worked out great. Cleaned everything up. Put all new bearings in it. New brushes. Cleaned the rotor up. Cleaned up the stator. Revarnished the stator and the rotor and the inside of the motor housing. All new grease to go with the new bearings, and a brand new chuck that goes from 0 to 3/8. This is a Jacobs 2B chuck, and other than that, and a brand new cord. So there we go. That's everything that we did to it. It was a neat drill to work on. Right here, I'll see if I can get a picture of it. It's hard to see. Probably can't make it out in the video, but somebody has engraved in it 1966. So I'm guessing this drill was brand new in 1966, June 19th of 1966. That's when somebody bought it new. So there we go. Drill runs great. I'll get out the Vita root here and we'll see if we can get a speed from it. So there we are. We're hovering right around 603 RPMs or so. It was a little wonky to play around with because the segments on the chuck here, this thing picks them all up and it thinks it's going super fast, but it's not. So there we go. Got it just right. And we're going about 602 RPMs. The rating is 650 for this drill, freewheeling, no load RPM. So that's not too bad. Grease is probably still a little thick in here and what have you. So that's not too far out of reach for what it is. So there we go. Quick look at the drill. Put a slideshow together with the restoration photos that I have of it, and some detail photos of the drill. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I have a bunch more of these old school cool tools that I've been fixing up that I'll continue to share. Just kind of a fun little side project for me to do here in the shop. So there we go. Another old school cool drill. One thing I can say is the ergonomics on this drill are just absolutely fabulous. It has a wonderful handle feel. I really do like the balance of this drill. It's a really nice drill. I like it a lot. Seems to be fairly unusual. I haven't seen many of them. So I'm glad to have this one. Even if it doesn't have its nameplate, I'm okay with that. I plan to use some of these in the shop here. We'll probably see them around when we're working on projects here and there. So there we go. Another old school cool. Thanks for watching.